Hi guys, you're welcome to Incredible Nesses, your trusted source for online money making tips, honest review, helpful resources, and practical guide designed to help you grow, earn, and stay ahead in the digital world. If you are new here, you are officially invited to join the Nesses family by hitting the subscription button and turning on the notification bell for more updates. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys 3 YouTube SEO guides you need to know as a beginner like me. As you can see, my channel is a new channel. It's less than, I think, 2 weeks. It's less than 2 weeks. It's a week and some few days old. So in my journey, I want to share like my step with you guys if you are a YouTube creator and you are new to the YouTube journey. So now in this video, I'm going to show you 3 YouTube SEO guides you need to know. The first one we are going to talk about is your thumbnail. So if you are just joining this channel for the very first time, please, once again, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And please make sure you watch this video from the very first start to the end so that you'll be able to understand all the things I'm going to say here. So the first YouTube SEO guide you need to know as a beginner is your thumbnail. So as you can see on the screen here, I pasted some of the professional thumbnail I've designed in the past and I've used for my video in the past. So as a beginner, you need to design a professional thumbnail so that when somebody is going to the YouTube, the person can, like, your thumbnail can attract them. They used to call it eye-catching thumbnail. So you need to design a unique professional thumbnail to be able to attract viewers. I know some of you guys are just starting up this channel. Some of you just upload your video without even getting a thumbnail, just like that. And if you don't have a professional thumbnail, your search engine optimization will be very, very low. That is to say, like, people will not be attracted to your content. It's your thumbnail that will attract to people. That is for those that are scrolling to the YouTube, and why those that are searching to the search engine, that is through Google, will be attracted to your, or should I say, they will be dropped to your content through your keywords. Anyways, we are going to be talking about all of that maybe in my next video concerning YouTube guides. So please, you need to subscribe to my channel to be able to be following up. So in case if you don't know how to design a professional thumbnail, that is not a problem. At the end of this video, you are going to see an end screen that shows how you can design a professional thumbnail. So you have to click it and watch everything. In that video, you are going to see how you can design a professional thumbnail, just like the one I show you on my screen. So and that is on that. So and the second SEO guide is your files. That is to say, your file's name. Your file's name matters a lot because it's very, very, very important in your SEO. That is to say, search engine optimization. If your files is bearing a particular name different from your keywords or different from your title or from the title of your video, automatically Google is not going to call your content, or YouTube is not even going to call your content. Even you are going to appear at the very, very bottom, and that is very, very wrong. What am I trying to explain to you? Now, I'm going to show you guys a particular video explaining to you what I mean by your file name. That is to say that the name on your files should be the same thing as the name that you are going to use, or should I say the title of your keywords. Understand? Like the same thing should happen to be in your video file and to be in your thumbnail file. So let me show you an example of what I mean in the next video. So guys, this is what I mean by file name. You can see it's showing InShot on the day I recorded this video, because I used InShot to edit this video, and that is why in the file name it is showing InShot. So that's why in every video before you upload it to your YouTube, make sure you rename it to make sure that it's carrying the keywords of your what is it called, YouTube title. Should I say, if your video is all about how to make money online, make sure the keywords is in the file name of your video, before you upload. The same thing with your thumbnail. When you edit your thumbnail using maybe Canva, InShot, or anywhere you edited your video from or you downloaded it, make sure you edit the file name because they are the names of that particular file is from the source where you get the file from. And again, so if your file name if your file name does not carry the names in your keyword, if somebody is searching for example, how to make money online, I'm just giving you an insight to instead of Google to call your video and maybe for your video to appear in the search engine, the your video will not even appear sometimes. Sometimes it will go down, 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 down because your file, the name of your file is showing in short, or should I say, is bearing in short instead of how to make money online. I don't think you understand. This is just an insight. The same thing goes to your thumbnail. So this is just an example for you guys. So guys, I think you have watched the video whereby I was showing you my file's name. That is to say, I use InShot app to edit a particular video, and the name of that particular video that is showing the file name was InShot. So before I upload it to my YouTube channel, all I need to do is to rename it to the keywords of my video. That is to say, if I'm recording a video, like for example now, the title of the video is maybe YouTube SEO guide. So I must make sure that the file name, that is the video title or the video keywords should be in the file name. That is to say, when you record your video or design your thumbnail using external source, make sure that you rename them to what your video carries. As to say, the meaning of your video. Simple as that, because it will enable your search engine optimization to be very, very okay and very, very fast. For example, now this channel is a new channel and is not doing well like that. Let me be sincere. I just opened the channel. It's not even up to a month yet, but at least I'm already building a foundation. Understand? So your foundation matters a lot. So that is it. I'm sorry guys for not changing my face. This channel is not a faceless channel actually, but for now I just started this YouTube channel, so I do not have the tools for now. So I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So very soon I'll be showing you guys my face, and then if I'm explaining, you'll be seeing my face. So, but in the meantime, you can listen to my voice and learn from the every video that I show you here. So please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. So, and the number third SEO guide you guys need to know as a beginner is the ratio of your video. The ratio of your video. So if you are uploading long, YouTube accepts 16.19 ratio. Most especially those that are in the educational section, or should I say educational niche. For those of you that are in the lifestyle niche, I don't know your ratio. I think this TikTok type of ratio, but me personally, I upload long videos, so I do not know about that. So concerning the ratio is 16.19, and when you are recording or when you have done recording, before you upload, don't just record and upload your video like that. Make sure that your ratio is equal to 16.19 before you upload. Because why am I saying this? When you upload the ratio, the wrong ratio, which is against YouTube creator guideline policies, trust me, there are some features that is going to be unavailable to you. And again, your content will be taken serious by YouTube algorithm. That is the more pure truth about it. For example, if your ratio is not the correct ratio when you upload, you might not have access. In fact, you are not going to have access to what they call timestamp. And timestamp is good for SEO optimization. Anyways, that one I won't be able to explain it here, but if you have subscribed to this channel, as time goes on, I'm going to upload everything concerning timestamp and everything you need to know about YouTube's SEO guide. And the other one is end screen. If your ratio is not correct, now let me show you what I mean by end screen. Let me go to one of my video. I'm going to one of my video. I'm going to one of my video and show you guys what I mean by end screen. Okay, let's assume that I want to edit this video that I did, this first video there. Let's assume I want to edit it. So let's assume I want to edit it. Now look at what I mean by timestamp here. zero zero curriculum 00. So this is what I mean by timestamp. This timestamp, the work of this timestamp is to break my video into chapters. That is to say, if my video is carrying a particular information, inside that information, there's still another information. That is to say, if my video says, okay, YouTube SEO guide, and there's still another explanation inside it, for example, how to set a timestamp. If somebody is searching for how to set a timestamp, do you know that YouTube is going to call down my content for that person? And if somebody is searching for YouTube SEO guys, YouTube is still going to call my what is it called, my YouTube, my video or my content for that person. That is to say, my content is broken into chapters. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. We make a video concerning timestamp and all of that. So now let me show you what brought me here is end screen. You can see this is what I call end screen and YouTube card. Now, what is the main purpose of this end screen? Actually, I'm not setting it. I'm not setting it. So let me go back. Let me go back. Let me go back. Now the main purpose of this end screen is to show you guys at the end of your video. Like now, if you are watching this video to the very end, you are going to see a particular video that show you guys how you can create a professional thumbnail and some other educative videos too. That is the work of end screen. And YouTube card too, you can put a particular video title at the beginning of your video or the center or the end. That is the work of YouTube cards. Understand? So you guys, please, I talked about 3 YouTube SEO guides you need to know. First of all, your thumbnail. Make sure you design a professional thumbnail, unique and professional. Second of all, your file names. Make sure you rename your files before uploading them. And third of all, your ratio. Make sure that your ratio, for example, now this end screen that is showing here right now, if my YouTube ratio resolution that I upload is not equivalent to 16.19, trust me, it should be invalid. That is to say, it should not be active for me to use. If I click on it, it should not be active. The same thing with the cards. You understand? So that is on that. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.